Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how to password protect a PowerPoint document. Before we begin, like this video, comment down below if it's helped you in any way, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. So, password protecting a PowerPoint document. Why would you want to do this? Well, maybe you create a PowerPoint and you don't want people messing with it, you don't want people editing what you've spent a lot of time on. So protecting it with a password will stop eyes or stop people from seeing what you're doing or from making changes to what you're doing. It's a good way to just keep it safe from people. So I know I did a video on how to password protect a Word document and an Excel spreadsheet. Those videos will be in the description below if you need a refresher on those. But for this one, let's just jump right into it. For PowerPoint, you're going to click on type here to search at the bottom and type in PowerPoint and click on whatever version you have. Alright, for me, I'm just going to click on some example, but this method can be done to any PowerPoint document that you make, what you created. So I'll just click on this one. Looks pretty nice. Alright, so we have our first slide here, and I could just type some stuff here. Test PowerPoint. Okay. So say if this was a PowerPoint I created and I made changes and I have all these slides, you want to click on File right here, top left hand corner. Then make sure it's on info right here, and protect presentation. Control what types of changes people can make to this presentation. Click on protect presentation. Now from here, click on encrypt with password. This window will pop up. I want you to make a password. I'm going to use the word password as my password. Don't do that ever, no matter what. Anything you make a password for, don't use the word password. I'm just going to do it for the sake of this video. And by the way, it does tell you if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. So just a heads up, make it something you can remember in the back of your mind, because if you forget it, there's no way of getting back into this document or any document you password protect. So just make sure you remember the password. Hit OK. It's going to re-enter the password. Hit OK again. Apparently I didn't type it the same. Let me just do that again. Fat fingers over here. All right. Let's try this again. Do password. Password. Got fat fingers all of a sudden. Alright, so once it's password protected, this box will go yellow, like it should. That's how you know it successfully has been protected. So I'm going to do a save as. I'm going to go to this PC. I'll click on desktop, and File Explorer is going to pop up. I'm going to click on desktop right here. I'm going to hit save. Exit out of PowerPoint. Here's my test PowerPoint document. I'm going to double click it, and here it's asking for that password. So I'll put in password. And there it is. You successfully locked your PowerPoint, and then hopefully you were able to get back in it with the password that you created. So that's how you do it. Easy peasy. Like I said in the description, I'll put how to password protect the Word document and the Excel spreadsheet, so you have all those together on how to do this. It's pretty simple. It's the same method for all three, but I just want to do individual videos kind of to walk you through the process. So like this video, comment if it helped, comment if it helped you at all, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate the support you've been given. And a side note here, if you guys have any questions or concerns, or you want to learn about different things, let me know, comment, and just ask away, and I will be more than happy to help do videos on different subjects, if it's Windows, if it's Mac, if it's Apple, Android, whatever it is, let me know, and I will do my best to help you guys out. So that's it. Have a great night, guys, and I will catch you on the next video.